wake up in the morning, check my phone, see I was golden. Say I'm going viral, thinking God I'm feeling chosen. You already know it. For some time I lost my focus. You already know it. You already know it. When I had no money, they ain't love me. It was it.
He was going on. Shit. Trying to keep this vlogging thing going for y'all, man. Yeah, so today I need to check something up under the car. Been making this little vibration noise, and so my boss had heard it, and he was like, he think it's the flex plate. So I'm gonna get up under the car today at break, as you know, because that's the only time I really got time, and on the weekends I got time. But at break we're gonna jack the car up and see what's going on. It's the flex plate loose or cracked, but he said he think it's cracked, so that's why it's making that noise. It's making this old weird ass crackling sound, so when you're in drive you don't hear it, but when it's parked you hear it. I'll let y'all hear it once I start the car up. Let's go. I hate when the Camaro have to sit out here, because a lot of times a lot of people's cars get bipped, you know. But it is what it is. But let me show y'all what I'm talking about. That's another thing I gotta fix too while I'm up under there is the signal wire on my starter. But you hear that? Just got a slight little crack to it, so we'll get up under the car and we're gonna see what the hell that noise is. I'll probably mess it up from burning rubber or something. So yeah, you can hear it right now when I'm in park. Throw it in gear, don't hear it. So something with that damn flex plate, man. I'm gonna check it today, and then like I said, I'll just call the transmission guy and let him know. And I know he probably say we'll wait till we finish my brother's truck or get to my brother's truck, and he'll work on it. So that's the best thing about good people that stand behind their work, man. You know, they stand on it on their warranty when they tell you got a warranty and stuff. So I feel like Carlos is a good stand-up guy, and we're gonna get things fixed. I got a whole lot coming up, man. Hood, I got the hood, my wheels and stuff, but yeah, let's go. So I don't know if I ever taught you guys how to not taught you, but show you guys how to check for leaks when it's welded like this. This is a 2-piece. So we get it up to 40 PSI, and once it holds, I spray around it with Windex, and I just make sure you don't see no leaks. Then you make sure I plug up the hole. Put that in there. And I take this. Just from the side, checking here. That's how you check the leak. Yeah, so don't worry about this right here. All this. Where it's welded at. Everything is good. Nice little sunny day, man. Let's get you under this car so I can figure out this noise. Oh man, she sits so low. I'm gonna have to jack her up from the side. Let's do the driver's side. Jacking this thing up, man. Have to make sure I ain't messing nothing up. Okay. I'm gonna go get some grease too. Fuck. Alright, man, we finally got her in the air. Get up under here. I'm gonna start the car in a minute. But like I said, my boss was the one that noticed the noise. Well, I noticed it before. I didn't know like what it actually was. Then my boss was like, man, it sounded like the flex plate. So we're gonna get up under here, see if I can see it rattling or anything. So let me go get my glasses and stuff and we'll get to it. I need to go get some degreaser too and start cleaning up under here. This shit is dirty as hell. So I want to start cleaning a little stuff under here right fast before I get to turning the car on. Man, get all that dirt from up under here. The grease will work good. Look at that. This was all clean when he first put the transmission back together, but y'all know I had that one little leak from the transmission line, from the cooling line, but we fixed that. But yeah, so now I'm about to start the car up and see where I can hear this noise from. That's up under here, but I know, let's see, this the engine, the oil pan. Yeah, I ain't gonna really be able to see up in there, but I will be able to hear. So let's just start the car up and see where we get this noise from. Man, this car need a whole freaking blast under here. This shit is dirty as hell. I'll probably catch somebody out to get this thing cleaned up under here. Look at that stuff just coming straight off. Look. Oil pan and stuff, man. Sheesh. I need a tune up too. Yeah. Then I need to check this starter wire. Remember I told y'all sometimes it be acting up. So let me check that. So I just found one of the knock sensors and stuff, but yeah, I can't really see. I probably have to pull the starter out and mess with that wire again, because I really can't tell right now because it's so up there and I think it's on here. So I'm gonna have to take the starter out again and just make sure that the wire is better than what it's doing. But yeah, let me start this car so we can see what this transmission, that noise is coming from. Like all right here is all quiet, and then once I get right here, yeah, something up in there is rattling. I don't know, he said it don't supposed to be the torque converter, so I'm not sure. But I hear it for sure. I wonder, it's not a gear. I don't think so, because every gear still works. So it's not a gear. Man, I really can't tell. It's at the trans for sure. Like I said, it's not a gear because all gears work. So it's not a gear that's rattling right now. So I'm gonna have to hit up Carlos and then we just gonna have to go from there. Most likely, I'm supposed to be going to Mississippi on August 1st. We'll be out there for like a week, family reunion and stuff. So anybody out there with cars and stuff, hit me up. Y'all know I'm gonna have my camera. Getting back to this vlogging. Y'all see I even got this one dropping. So yeah, man. I don't know. Gotta figure it out, y'all. But the Camaro still ride good. Just gotta figure out that crackling noise, and the best way it is just call Carlos and let him know that, hey, the transmission making noise or something. Let him pull it out and we go from there. I don't know. I'm just not feeling that right now because I cannot pinpoint where, but it is rattling, you know? And I'm trying to figure it out, and I don't see nothing really jumping out to me, you know? So Carlos, I'll be hitting you up, bro. I was trying to even make sure that it wasn't a starter winging out or something, but as y'all see, can't really see nothing. So gotta hit up our trans, man. Just go from there. Yes, sir. Can anybody tell me what sensor this is? It might be the, I don't know, because the knock sensor is on the other side, and I believe that might be the, is that oil pressure? No, that's not even oil pressure. That might be the, I cannot tell what that is. Somebody let me know. It's right on the side of the block, and it's just a sensor that goes right there that I can just go get, because the housing part is actually still good. This piece had melted off, so it goes right back on, but I need to know what sensor that is. Yep, so we hear where the noise coming from, so I guess probably, I don't know, man, probably this weekend I'll probably go ahead and change the suspension and get it done, because I've been lagging. I got it at the house, just got to do it, man, you know? Y'all know my vibes. Just gotta stop being lazy, shit, and get her done. Let's go. Yeah, man, on idle it makes that raggedy ass cracking noise. You don't hear it when you mob. I should lay down some limbs on this. Hella people be watching me though, they be knowing which way I'm coming from. Fuck it, I'm about to lock it in. What y'all know about that Hellcat Durango? Chopping on these stupid ass. Come on, bruh. This thing dirty as hell, man. But he'll tell y'all, but I ain't get it registered yet, man. This thing clean as hell. It's been sitting. I'm gonna show y'all the gray one too. You can tell it's been sitting. Look at it. Spider webs and crap. It's been crazy. That's how you do it though. Real nigga shit right here. Spider webs. Whole family. Then you got this beauty. Spider webs. Come on, man. Not on the 500, bruh. You can't be having spider webs on the 500, bruh. Come on, man. Then he got the other beauty under here that he don't even touch. 61 miles on it. Let me show y'all something. And you all know that he don't even touch it, and it still run. Look at the damn brakes.
Show him what it is, though.
Woo! That darn old gray on they stupid ass. Y'all see that badge? Cash him out. That's why he don't drive it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. 61,000 miles.
I drove from the dealership home. That's it.
That's it, man. Y'all come fuck with it, man. Y'all want that, come holler at him. He got 2 of them. Woo! Camaro looking clean with the rest of these cars, huh? What y'all think?
up, baby? What's up, people's eyes? What's up, my baby? What's up, my baby? I don't know if y'all seen it. I backed into my mother-in-law has a planter pot over here, and I backed into it over here, so I damaged my motherfucking windshield fluid, so I have no water. Oh, damn! I have a little bit. Hey, but so I keep the windshield fluid in here just in case I need it. I don't know if y'all, I don't know how old your following is, but y'all know what these is? Silver black pants. Look, hold on. See the name?
Oh, okay, Balmain.
Yeah.
Balmain.
These pants right here cost more than some of you niggas making a year.
I bet. Cause I know it costs more than these boots. What are those? Check out Ray. He's still selling this thing, I think, but man, check out this. That's some real town shit right here. He ain't doing no playing with that motherfucker. But the gold things, boy, the mustard and mayonnaise. I already explained what the mustard and mayonnaise is. Y'all see them balls on that thing? And he got Tremendo here. You still got the Tremendo, right? Hell yeah. Whenever he gets the time or when he pull, ooh, hold on. Do y'all see that? Alligator top on they stupid ass with the roof. Okay, I see you, bruh. Go, tell me no. Is that really you, girl? Did you shop your photos?
For some reason this movie acting like he don't know how to vlog.
I'm going fast.
Oh yeah,
I'ma
we
do
out
the
here in the city.
thing, so that's my bad. I've been taking